January 19, 2025. A variety of extreme weather is expected across the United States this week. Let's take a look at the blizzard forecast. Affecting the Northeast right now, a very rare snowfall in the Gulf Coast, and an Arctic cold wave that will affect much of the U.S. this week. First, let's head to the northeastern United States, where a winter storm watch is currently in effect for much of the Northeast. A long stretch of land from the mid-Atlantic to Maine is in the primary impact zone of the storm. Snow is expected to continue through the early morning hours of EST. 2.3 snowfall totals are expected to range from 3 to 6 inches in major urban areas, like New York City and Boston, 6 to 10 inches in the Northwest, and more than 10 inches in many places. Next, let's take a look at the potential snowstorm forecast for the Gulf Coast, including southern Texas and southern Louisiana, on Tuesday. Currently, the National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings for parts of southern Texas, southern Louisiana, and Mississippi. Many of these areas could see up to 6 inches of snow. The National Weather Service says, as those of you who live here know, it's very unusual for snow to accumulate in these areas, especially in coastal areas immediately adjacent to the Gulf Coast. Snowfall is a once-in-a-decade event. For example, the last recorded snowfall in New Orleans was on December 11, 2008. This makes this Gulf Coast snowstorm very special. Next up is the cold wave forecast. Arctic cold air is currently moving into the Midwest from Canada. As the jet stream descends over the central and eastern United States this week, we expect to see a pressure pattern that will continue to bring Arctic air into the region. Temperatures are expected to be 20 to 30 degrees below normal across most of the country for the foreseeable future, especially in some Midwestern states such as Minnesota and Wisconsin. The wind chill will be much lower due to the cold temperatures and strong winds. Please take care of yourself. We'll be covering this particular weather event and other natural phenomenon issues around the world in the future. Thank you for watching this video.